We are still on chapter 4 study guide. So we are dilating 3 by a scale factor of 3, y'all. So this should be an enlargement by a scale factor of 3, which means I'm just multiplying every single one of these points by 3. So that's going to be negative 9, 9, 9, negative 9, and 0, 9. Lots of 9s. Make sure that your points have parentheses on them. We will take off. So 0, 9 is going to be up here, C prime. Negative 9, 9 is up here, A prime. And 9, negative 9, B prime. Did I get that right? Let's make sure it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just ends up kind of being on top of it, but it still got bigger by a factor of 9. All right, this one is getting smaller by a factor of 2/3. You are going to want a calculator for this if you do not know how to multiply with your fractions, but luckily it's the same number again and again and again. So if you say 3 times 2/3, you're going to end up with 2. So dilate by 2/3, so that's a reduction. Negative 3 times 2/3 ends up as 2. So that's going to be negative 2, 2. 3 times 2/3, 2, negative 2, and 0, 2. It's the same math again and again and again, so makes it a little easier. Okay, so negative 2, positive 2 is A prime. B prime, 2, negative, no, yep, 2, negative 2, B prime. And C prime, 0, 2, C prime. Yours is going to be pretty small, but that's okay. It's a shrunken version. Determine whether each dilation is an enlargement or reduction, then find the scale factor. So from, this is the OG, that's the image. So that is a reduction. I need to do new over old. So that is 12 over 16, which reduces to 6 over 8, which reduces to 3 over 4 is your final. Okay. All right, A prime. So it looks like the little one here is my pre-image, and then this big one is my image because of the prime right there. So that's an enlargement. And I need to do new over old. Okay, if you look though, the new side length is not just 8, it's 5 plus 8. So that new is 5 plus 8, which is 13. And the old was just the 5. So 13 over 5, I don't think that reduces. If you put it in decimal form, 13 over 5 is 2.6, so that is bigger. So 13 over 5 is a totally acceptable answer. 2.6 is a totally acceptable answer for your K. They work. We have some compositions. Remember, you have to do the one closest first. So we are going to go left 3, up 1 first. I'm going to do that in purple. So I'm going to say minus 3 plus 1 to each one of these. So 3, negative 1. B is going to be 5, negative 3. And C is going to be 3, negative 3. I'm going to check this one, make sure I did it right before I do my reflection. So what? Okay, gotta come down here. I need pictures on this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, B prime. And then C should be right here. 3, 3. Yes, good. Okay, so this is my first one. And then it wants me to rotate along the y-axis. So let's see, let's do that in a different color. I'm gonna rotate in a different color. The y-axis is right here, so I've gotta rotate the purple one. So go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a double prime is at -3, -1. Let's see, B should end up at -5, -3, and C should end up at -3, -3. If you can see the pattern, great. If not, let's count. So C is 1, 2, 3, so go 1, 2, 3. There's C double prime. And then B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. B double prime. We have a reflection. Translation, then a reflection. Beautiful. Now this one, it looks like we've got a dilation first and then a rotation. So it's gonna get even smaller. Shoot, teeny tiny picture. That's okay. All right, so that's gonna be 3, -1, 4, -2, and 3, -2. So all I did was cut each one of those points in half. I took these points over here, copy, paste, and I multiplied each one of them times a half. What's a half of 6? 3. What's a half of -2? -1, right? What is a half of each one of those? All right, so a prime, dilation first. So 1, 2, 3, 1. There's a prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, B prime. Gotta be a teeny tiny little pick. 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, C prime. Little bitty triangle. And now let's rotate it 90 degrees. So I need to switch X and Y, change the sign of the new X. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. It all should end up, it was down here, so it all should end up here. Let's check it, make sure that we're right. 1, 3 is a double prime. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B double prime, and 2, 3, C double prime. Teeny tiny triangle, but it has been rotated 90 degrees. Perfect. I hope that helps you with your study guide. Good luck on your test.